Alden, it's your update. An interview kay Alden on TikTok Live. Ito yung video.
What's up guys? This is Alden Richards for TikTok Live.
Yan o. Yan, gulit pa ni Alden. Gwapo. May mga tanong kay Alden.
Ang ganda lang to have creative control over the current project that you're working on because you tend to be loyal to what message you want to send to your audience and at the same time remain true to the content.
That is your take away from your director, di ba?
Why content is king in all the things that we do right now, especially technology is evolving rapidly. So you have to really adapt to survive, adjust, innovate, create something, do something for you to be always relevant and artist.
Yan o, about the sponsor.
Before we finalize something, before we say yes to something, it's well thought of, it's with the approval of the people who's involved with the production, and of course, at the end of the day, we want to entertain, we want to make people feel good for content.
Yan o.
Top of Pro, definitely. I've listened to a couple of their songs while we're choosing for the theme song of Out of Order. And yung na-approve namin is lahat ng bukas. It's a really catchy song. I like its melody and its messaging. Sakto siya for the film. Sobrang galing lang nila gumawa ng music. Sana, mas makasama sila for the festival. Hindi nyo sure, baka nandun na sila.
Kaya mga P-pop group.
It's been amazing talaga. Of course, all of us, proud tayo to have someone like them conquering the global stage with their performance and with them being Filipinos. So sana makasama rin sila sa buhay. That's for you to find out. Of course, in terms of OPM, it's Lumba by SB19 because I performed it with Kuya Bitoy during the 70th anniversary special of DH. And since then, nag-kick na sa utak ko, hindi ko na siya matanggal. Number one, ganda ng kanta, ganda ng music, ng melody, nakaka-LSS at last move syndrome.
Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for more update. This is Richard Reaction Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.